Hello everyone, welcome to Gagan Online Academy. In this video, we will learn quadrilaterals, types, angle relation, diagonal properties, construction logics, and solve APTET, CTET, and DSC previous year questions. Let's begin. A quadrilateral is a polygon. It has four sides, four vertices, and four angles. Sum of interior angles of a parallelogram. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Internal angles. Sum of internal angles of a quadrilateral. We use this formula, that is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. N minus 2 into 180 degrees. N is number of sides. N is number of sides. N is number of sides. There are six types of quadrilaterals. They are parallelogram. There are six types of quadrilaterals. They are parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. Now let's learn parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D. This is parallelogram. AB and DC are parallel to each other. AB parallel to DC or CD. Similarly, this side AD and BC are parallel. AD and BC are parallels. Side AD is parallel to side BC. Side AB is parallel to side CD. That is written here. And then length of parallel sides are equal. That means AB is equal to CD. Length of AB is equal to length of CD. Length of AD is equal to length of BC. Length of side AD is equal to length of side BC. Then AC and BD are diagonals. AC, BD are called diagonals. Length of diagonals are not equal. That means AC is not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal. Means length of diagonal AC is not equal to length of diagonal BD. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. Opposite angles are equal. Here A and C are opposite angles. Similarly, angle B and angle D are opposite angles. These opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. And the other property is sum of adjacent interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of interior adjacent angles. Sum of interior adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. See, this A and D are adjacent angles. So sum of this A and D is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. This B and C form interior adjacent angles. Angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C. That is also 180 degrees. Finally, angle C and D. Angle C plus angle D. That is also equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Then they are said to be supplementary angles also. So remember, sum of interior adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. And angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, meaning AE, length of AE is equal to EC, length of DE is equal to length of EB. Once again, I repeat, properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Their lengths are also equal. That means length of AB is equal to length of CD and length of AD is equal to length of BC. Then opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. See, angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. Opposite angles are equal. Then adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles, see this A and B are adjacent angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle B plus angle C 180 degrees. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. This is adjacent angles supplementary. Then diagonals bisect each other. Here AC and BD, these are diagonals. They intersect at point E. Then AE, length of AE is equal to EC. Length of DE is equal to length of BE. Length of DE is equal to length of BE. And finally, each diagonal divides into two congruent triangles. See, this diagonal divides this parallelogram into two triangles. Here one triangle, here is another triangle. So each diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. To find area of parallelogram, we use base into height formula. Base into height. Let us discuss properties of rectangle. In rectangle, opposite parallel sides are equal. That means side AB is parallel to DC. Side AB is parallel to side CD. AB parallel to this CD or DC, right? AB parallel to DC. And similar, AB is equal to, length of AB is equal to CD. Next, AD, length of parallel AD side is parallel to BC. Side AD is parallel to side BC. And AD, length of AD is equal to length of BC. Length of this AD is equal to length of BC. Opposite angles are equal in rectangle. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Similarly, angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. So opposite angles are equal in rectangle. In rectangle, sum of interior adjacent angles are supplementary or that is equal to 180 degrees. That means here A and B are adjacent angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Again, angle B plus angle C form adjacent angles, that is also equal to 180 degrees. Next, angle C plus angle D. Angle C plus angle D, that is also equal to 180 degrees. Finally, angle A plus angle D. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. These pair of angles are called adjacent angles. A and B forms adjacent angle. They are supplementary. That means their sum is 180 degrees. Diagonals are equal in length. That means AC is equal to BD. In parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. Whereas in rectangle, diagonals are equal. That is the main difference between rectangle and parallelogram. Let us recall properties of rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Means angle A 90 degrees, angle A 90 degrees, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle C 90 degrees, angle D 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal. That means AC is equal to length of AC is equal to length of BD. AC is equal to length of BD. Diagonals bisect each other, meaning AO length of AO is equal to OC. Similarly, length of OD is equal to length of OB. That is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other. Then area of rectangle is length into breadth. By multiplying length with its breadth, we get area of rectangle. Hello viewers, in this video, we will learn properties of square and rhombus. In a square, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That means side AB is equal to side BC, that is equal to side CD and side DE. All sides are equal in length. That is the first property. Then all angles are 90 degrees. It means angle A is equal to 90, angle B, angle C, angle D, all are equal to 90 degrees. AB is parallel to, side AB is parallel to CD and angle side AD is parallel to BC. So we have two pairs of parallel sides in square. Then diagonals are equal. We have two diagonals from A to C. AC one diagonal and DB or BD. AC and BD are diagonals. These are equal in length. That means AC is equal to BD. Length of AC is equal to BD. This is diagonal AC, then diagonal BD. These diagonals are equal in length. These diagonals bisect each other. These diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means they meet at this point, they intersect at this point. Say this is O. Then we have AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. Then DO is equal to DO is equal to OB. That is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other. These diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees or at right angles, meaning angle at this position is 90 degrees, angle at this position is 90 degrees, angle at this position is 90 degrees, angle at this position is 90 degrees. That means this angle, see DOC, here this angle is DOC, at O we have angle 90 degrees. Similarly, AOD, here 90 degrees, then AOB, here also 90 degrees. So diagonals bisect each other at right angles, means at 90 degrees. Area of square is S square, means side into side. Diagonal is root 2S. That means length of the diagonal is root 2 times of the side of the square. Here S stands for side. Perimeter is 4S. 4 into side, that is 4S. Sum of pairs of adjacent angles in square is equal to 180 degrees, or we call it supplementary. Means angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. These are adjacent angles, pair of adjacent angles. Similarly, angle B plus angle C, that is also equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. C and D also pair one on interior angles, adjacent interior angles. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. And finally, angle A plus angle D also 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Next geometrical figure is rhombus. In rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and CD is equal to AD. Length of all sides are equal in rhombus. That is the first property. Then opposite sides are parallel. Here side AB is parallel to side CD. I am writing here. Side AB is parallel to side CD and side BC is parallel to side AD. So we have two pair of parallel sides in rhombus. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. And angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. So opposite angles are equal in rhombus. Then diagonals bisect each other. So here this point say O. In this case BO is equal to OD. BO is equal to OD. Similarly AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. Diagonals are perpendicular. That means here they form 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. See AOB. At O they are making 90 degrees. AOD. Here at O 90 degrees. So these are the properties of rhombus. One more property is sum of pair of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. Here this A and B are adjacent angles A and B. Sum of pair of interior adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. Means angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B and angle C. Angle B and angle C. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle C plus angle D. Angle C plus angle D. That is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle D plus angle A. Angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us discuss properties of trapezium and kite. That is AB parallel to CD. Only these two sides are parallel to each other. One parallel side AB parallel to CD. Only AB parallel to CD. AC is not parallel to BD. Remember this. Then opposite angles are not equal. Means angle C not equal to angle B. Angle A is not equal to angle D. Sum of interior adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. That means here A and C, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B also 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle C plus angle D. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle D is 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. These are pair of adjacent interior angles. Diagonals are not equal in length and diagonals do not bisect each other. That means length of AC is not equal to length of diagonal BD. Suppose here the point is intersecting point O. In that case, CO is not equal to OB. AO is not equal to OD. Diagonals do not bisect each other. Just they intersect each other. Kite is also one quadrilateral. Sum of all interior angles of a kite is 360 degrees. Now here we have two pairs of adjacent equal sides. Means this AB is parallel to AD and these are equal in length. AB length is equal to AD length. Similarly, this BC is parallel to DC. Length of side BC is equal to DC. This length is equal to this length CD. Here angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. But angle A is not equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Reason is, see, same side for these two triangles are here. ABE triangle and AED triangle. This side is common to both of them. This side is equal to this side. So two sides are equal. Then this B and ED also same in length. That means ABE, triangle ABE and triangle AED are congruent. That's why length of BE is equal to ED. Length of BE is equal to ED. Angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. And the last point is, these diagonals bisect the longer diagonal bisect the shorter diagonal, right? Shorter diagonal is divided into two equal parts, that is BE and ED. BE and ED only equal. BE and ED are equal. This longer diagonal bisects shorter diagonal, right? But shorter diagonal does not bisect the longer diagonal. That means AE is not equal to length of AE not equal to length of EC.